Very good morning, children. Welcome to Sairam Educational Channel. Today we will see some more important questions from class 10 mathematics. Please subscribe the channel. Here the question given is: a father is 3 times as old as his son. After 12 years, his age will be twice as that of his son. Then find their present ages. Whenever you see such age related problems, we need to first get linear equations in two variables, then we can solve using the knowledge about solving linear equations. In order to find out the linear equations, it is better to make a table of the ages of present, past and future if they have provided in the question. For example, in this case, you can take father and son ages. The present ages you can consider as x and y, and a father is 3 times as old as his son, that is the present, after 12 years. So future they have given, so after 12 years you also write the ages. What would be the ages? X will become x plus 12 and y becomes y plus 12. After making this, you come to the conditions. First condition is given that father is 3 times as old as his son. This is the present condition situation. So father is present is x, so x equal to 3 times of his present is y, son says. So x equal to 3y, that is the equation. After 12 years, so the next condition is after 12 years. That means you need to consider these two values. So his age is twice of his son. So his age after 12 years would be x plus 12, that equals to 2 times of y plus 12. So now you got two equations. In the first equation you have x value 3y. This value substitute in the second equation. By using substitution method we can solve these two equations. So then x becomes 3y plus 12 equal to 2y plus 24. So 3y you take 2y this side. So 3y minus 2y equal to 24 minus 12. So y equal to 12 years. That means son's present age is 12 years. Since you know son's present age, you substitute in equation 1 or 2 either. So I will substitute in equation 1. So then what you will get, x equal to 3 into y, that is 3 into 12, that equal to 36 years. So father age is now 36 years. So this is the simplest way we need to solve this. So this table will help a lot in confusing problems related to age. So better first make the table, then you can get the equations based on the given conditions in the problem. Let us see another problem. Here the problem given is 10 years later A will be twice as old as B, and 5 years ago A was 3 times as old as B. What are the present ages of A and B? So the relation between A and B given. So we need to first write down the present, past and future ages of A and B as given here. The present age you can consider A as x years and B as y years. So 10 years later also condition given here. So after 10 years their ages in future, x becomes x plus 10, y becomes y plus 10. At the same time they have also given the old age. So past age 5 years ago. So the past age will be x minus 5, y would be y minus 5. Once you make this table, then you come and write down the conditions. So now first condition is 10 years later. So 10 years later means you need to consider these ages. So A will be twice as old as B, but is the age of A is x plus 10, that equal twice 2 times of y plus 10, age of the son, the age of the B. So x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y equal to 10. I simplified and made a linear equation. X minus 2y equals to 10. And take the second condition. 5 years ago, that means you should use the past ages. So 5 years ago, A was 3 times as old as B. So A age is x minus 5. That equal to 3 times of that times age of y. B, that is y minus 5. So x minus 5 equals to 3y minus 15. So x minus 3y equal to 5 goes this side positive, so minus 10. So I have two equations, linear equations I should solve. So since x is only 1 here and here, so you can subtract these two equations such that x will be cancelled out, then you will have an equation in y, so you will get the value of y. So x minus 2y minus of this left side, I am minus subtracting first. So x minus 2y minus x plus 3y. So minus x minus 3y, whatever it is, equals to 10, the first one, minus of minus 10. So x minus 2y minus x minus into minus plus 3y equals to 10 minus into minus plus 10. So x cancels. Now you have here minus 2y plus 3y, that equal to 1y. So y equals to 10 plus 10, 20. So y value is 20 years. Now you got the y value. So now you can substitute the y value either first or second equation. Then you will get the x value. I have substituted here in equation 1 the y value. So x minus 2 into the y value 20 equals to 10. X equal to 10 plus 40, because 2 into 20 40, that goes this side, it becomes positive. So x equal to 50 years. So x is the age of A. So A age is 50 years and B age is 20 years. Here we have another age related problem. The problem says 6 years hence a man's age will be 3 times the age of his son, and 3 years ago he was 9 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. So 6 years hence means it will be a future age. We can understand also this from the word will be. That means it represents the future ages. So one relation given regarding to the future and another one given 3 years ago. This is the past age. And it can also be understood by using this be form was. So now we will find out their ages. Now consider the present ages of man x and his son is y. Their future ages 6 years hence they have given, that means future plus 6 years, so the age will be x plus 6 and y plus 6. And 3 years ago they have given, so past is 3 years before, so that is x minus 3 and y minus 3. Once you make this table, then you can consider the first condition. 6 years hence a man's age will be 3 times the age of his sons. That means man's age after 6 years 3 times of his son. So x plus 6 equals to 3 times of y plus 6. So x plus 6 equal to 3y plus 18. So x minus 3y equal to 12. 18 minus 6 is 12. That is the condition 1. Now consider the second condition. 3 years ago, that means the past age relation we need to take. So ago he was 9 times as old as his son. So he means the man age is x minus 3 years ago equal 9 times of y minus 3. So x minus 3 equal to 9y minus 27. X minus 9y equal to minus 27 plus 3 minus 24. So now I have got two linear equations. One is x minus 3y equal to 12 and another is x minus 9y equal to minus 24. By subtracting these two equations, you can eliminate one x, then you will get the value of y. So I have taken x minus 3y, first equation, minus second equation. So left hand side of first equation is x minus 3y minus of left side of second equation, that is x minus 9y, equal to the right side 12 minus of minus 24. X minus 3y, this is minus x minus minus plus 9y equals to 12 plus 24. So here x cancels, 3y plus 9y, 3y I have to subtract from 9y, so it becomes 6y. 6y equal to 36, so y equal to 6 years. So the son says is 6 years. Now take this value and substitute either of these equations 1 or 2, then you will get the corresponding man says x. So in equation 1, from equation 1, x minus 3 into y value 6 equals to 12. So x minus 18 is 12, x equal 12 plus 18, that equal to 30 years. So the man says is 30 years and his son age is 6 years. So let us see another problem. The problem given is the father's age is 3 times the sum of the ages of his 2 children. After 5 years, his age will be twice the sum of the ages of the 2 children. Find the age of the father. Here father age and sum of the ages of 2 children relations have been given. So we need to solve this. For solving this, we need to first write down past, present and future ages as per the given question. The father and future ages of sum of the ages of children together we should take as one variable. So father age you consider as x present, the sum of the children's age would be, you can take it as y. So father's age is 3 times the sum of the ages of 2 children, that you can write father age is x is equal to 3 times of the sum of the ages of children, that is y. And after 5 years future age, that is after 5 years father age becomes x plus 5. Sum of children's, those are 2 children's, each child age will be plus 5, so 2 children's total it will be having plus 10 years. So y plus 10 years. So generally we will do mistake here. If you write y plus 5, that is wrong, because here the sum of the 2 children age we have to take. So each children plus 5 and so we need to get y plus 10. So after 5 years his age will be twice the sum of the ages of 2 children, that means future ages. So x plus 5, that is father age, will be twice 2 times of the sum of the ages of 2 children, that is y plus 10. So these are the two relations we got. Substitute x equal to 3y in this equation, then you will have substitute 1 into, so 3y plus 5 equal to 2y plus 20, and 3y minus 2y equal to 20 minus 5, that is y equal to 15 years. Y equals to 15 years. So the sum of the ages of the children is 15 years. And substitute this y value either in 1 or 2 equation. We will substitute here in first equation. So x equal to 3 into 15 years. So total it is 45 years. So the father age is 45 years and the sum of the son's age is 15 years. So this is the way we can solve this problem. So here the problem given is the ages of two friends Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. Ani's father Dharam is twice as old as Ani and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Ani and Biju. Here several relations have been given. Using the relations we will write down. You consider Ani as A, Biju as B, Dharam is D and Kathy is C. So using that you can solve like this. Given Ani and Biju differ by 3 years. Consider Ani is elder. Ani minus B, Biju. The difference between Ani and Biju is 3. So A minus B is 3. Ani's father Dharam D is twice as old as Ani. So it will be D equal to 2A. And Biju as twice as old as his sister Kathy. So Biju equals to 2 times of sister Kathy. And finally the ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. So D minus C equals to 30 years. So now you got 4 relations. A minus B 3, D equal to 2A, B equal to 2C, D minus C equals to 30. You can solve them. I have taken first A
D minus C. So D equal to 2A, I substitute D equals 2A here, 2A minus C equals to how much? This from equation 3, C equals to B by 2. So B by 2, B over 2, that equal to 30. So 2A minus B over 2 equals to 30. From equation 1, you know A value in terms of B. If you bring everything in one term, then you will get that value. So that's why I want to change this A in terms of B. So A equal to 3 plus B from equation 1. So you substitute the A value in this particular one. So 2 into 3 plus B minus B upon 2 equals to 30. So this is 6 plus 2B minus B upon 2 equals to 30. So you can see send 6 that side. So 30 minus 6, that is 24 right side. On the left hand side you have 2B minus B upon 2. So you can take the LCM. LCM is 2. 2 times of 2B is 4B minus 1 time is B. 4B minus B upon 2 equals to 24. So 4B minus B, that equal to 3B. 3B equal to 2 goes this side and multiplies. So it is 48. So 3B equal to 48. So B equal to 16 years. So now you got the Biju says 16 years, and substitute the Biju age here and get the Kathy age. Okay. So Biju age divided by 2 equals to your Kathy age. So Kathy equal to B upon 2, that is 16 upon 2, that equal to 8 years. Since Biju is 16 years and you can substitute in this, you will get Ani age. So A minus 16 equals to 3. So A equal to 3 plus 16, that equal to 19 years is the Ani age. So Ani age